Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how you can use Python and ChatGPT to extract text from a PDF file. So for that I have a sample PDF file which is of 234 pages. This is a very simple file and there are no complex images or tables mentioned here. Mostly text and some links to the website which are present in this text book, PDF book. What we'll do, we'll utilize ChatGPT to give us a program PDF to extract text from the PDF file. Okay, so here if you see, I have given a prompt how to extract text from PDF in Python. That's the simplest one-liner prompt I've given. And for that, ChatGPT has replied with this package that I need for simplest form of just extracting the text from PDF file. If you see, the PDF text will be extracted and printed in the console, and it is looking for a PDF path or PDF file path from where it will read the PDF file and its textual content, right? And this is the function written to extract the text, and it uses Python PDF2 package to work with PDF files. Now this will give me the extracted text within console, but I wanted it to be in a text file or HTML or markdown file. Okay, so different kind of file format. So I have given a different prompt like modify the code to save the text. It should be text in a markdown file. Okay, so what it did, it modified the same code to save that text into a markdown file. Okay, so we are writing that text to a markdown file, and here you see it's setting or asking for PDF file path and markdown output file path. Okay, and ultimately it is going to save it to a given location which will be put here. Now that same code I have copied, okay, here in Visual Studio Code. I have the Python installed. I can show you the Python version, which is 3.11.3. Now I installed these two packages like pip install pypdf2 and pip install pypdf markdown. Okay, so those commands will be like this: pip install pypdf2 and pip install markdown. So these two packages I installed. Okay, but before that I already have Python installed for me, which is 3.11.3. Okay, so once you have the Python installed, then on top of that you can install these two packages. Next, I have set the PDF file path and also the output file path as file.markdown. Now if I run this code, what it is going to do, it is going to input this file path, PDF file path, and this function will be executed. This function is taking help of pypdf2 package to read the file and then extract the text from each pages and then return it as a text output object. Now that text will be written to a markdown file using save as markdown, which is taking this text returned from the previous function and then output file path of that markdown file. It will write, so it's in the writing mode. We are opening a file and then writing that markdown text. Okay, so if we execute this, we'll receive a markdown file, and if I just show you this file, we have paragraphs, lists, all these things. This is looking more of a HTML file. So if I just change the extension, which I have done for you, so it will be a HTML file, and if I open it in a browser, I'll be able to see the whole text which is extracted from the PDF. So here you see is the text extracted from PDF file and put into a markdown or HTML, you can say. So both kind of file I have kept here. So ultimately this is more of a tagged file, HTML tagged file, so I converted it to HTML just by changing the extension, and here you see all the text. Okay, so that's how we will be able to leverage ChatGPT to give us code and also modify that code for a more sophisticated work. Okay, so here in this case I gave a prompt to extract the text from the PDF, and next I asked ChatGPT to modify it so that I can save it to a file, the extracted text file. So that's how we can use so many things with the help of ChatGPT and Python. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my content, please share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be happy to make more content like this. Thank you. Bye bye.